Peeqo, say hi to everyone. Hi, I'm Abhishek, and this is Peeqo, the only robot in the world to respond entirely through videos and GIFs.
Say what?
Peeqo is not just any robot, he's your desktop companion, designed to provide little moments of delight and entertainment to get you through your day. So what can Peeqo do for you? Well, since I spend long hours in front of the computer, I use mine to stay productive. Keep me off Reddit when I should be working.
Whoa, stop, dude! What are you doing?
Remind me to drink water regularly. Rest my eyes from time to time.
Shield your eyes!
And for those times when all I need is a quick pick-me-up. Peeqo, I just can't do this.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
My very own productivity bot. But of course that's not all.
Wait a minute. You ain't heard nothing yet. Wait a minute, I tell you.
You can use him for all kinds of tasks. Peeqo, what is the weather?
Freaking freezing in here, Mr. Picklesworth.
Peeqo, set a timer for 20 minutes.
You got it, dude.
Peeqo, turn off the lights. The list goes on, and his unique visual response system means you don't get the same boring responses to common questions, always keeping it fresh and fun. He will come as an affordable, easy to build kit, so you get to put him together yourself. No special tools required, everything you need is included in the box, so you can get up and running in absolutely no time.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
There will be a bunch of pre-programmed skills, so he's ready to go right after he's assembled.
I am ready, baby!
No matter your technical prowess, you can also easily add your own custom responses and new skills. And since the code is open source, community contributions will continuously improve the experience for all.
That is so fetch.
Peeqo's brain is a Raspberry Pi, and this opens up a thriving community right from the start. There will be a growing video library of educational content, so you can use him as a truly unique platform to dive deeper into the world of robotics, electronics, and software. Just pop his head, plug in a keyboard and mouse, and hack away to make him your own. He has an impressive screen for an expressive face, a microphone array so he can hear you,
I am listening.
stereo speakers so he can speak to you, a camera so he can see you, and a unique flexible exterior for added nonverbal cues. And what's more, Peeqo comes with a personality to match.
Look at me. It's clear to all of you that I am awesome.
Defy him after giving him a task, and he'll stop listening to you as well. Peeqo, play me Spotify.
I'm not listening to you. You're crazy.
Ask him the same question repeatedly, and he might get annoyed. Peeqo, what is the meaning of life?
Say what again? Say what again? I double dare you.
And whatever you do, don't ask him whether it's pronounced GIF or GIF.
Oh my god, will you let it go?
Definitely not your average bot.
You're goddamn right.
So go ahead and back Peeqo today to help us go into production so that you can bring the most delightful, the most entertaining, and the hippest little bot into your home, office, or classroom that completely redefines the way we interact with robots today. And before we sign off, Peeqo, do you have anything to add?
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
When I had the initial idea several years ago, it was about developing the best product for your daily commute.
It started with a passion for electric mobility, and now we've founded a company, and we've developed an entire vehicle, UrmO.
UrmO is a small, light and foldable electric vehicle.
It is self-balancing, very easy to steer, and it's the perfect solution for your last mile in your city. Self-balancing vehicles totally make sense. They are very easy to learn. You just stand on, and most people just need 2 to 5 minutes to learn how to ride it. And if you suddenly find yourself in front of some stairs, simply pick it up and carry it. And since it's so compact, you can take it on a train.
Nowadays, with the trend of urbanization, traffic in cities gets worse and worse. First part of your journey into the city with your car is rather quickly, but when you enter the city, it comes almost to a complete stop. This is where UrmO comes into play. You can take UrmO in the car with you. You will arrive at your destination much faster and of course happier. When you enter your company in the morning, you can use UrmO to skip all these long hallways and just drive from the entrance to your desk in a few moments. With one lift and within 2 seconds, the UrmO transforms from fully functional electric vehicle to just briefcase size.
So how did we achieve the low weight? Well, one part of the story is to use advanced materials, such as carbon fiber and aircraft-grade aluminum. Another part is we developed all our electronics in the last 2.5 years from scratch. So we developed our own mainboards, our own battery modules, and so on. At the end of the day, UrmO is not only a clever vehicle, it's also fun to drive. Drive with UrmO wherever you want, on the street, on curb or cobblestone. UrmO goes up to 15 km/h and is created for your hands to be free. If you feel uncomfortable with the balance, there's always the possibility to add an additional handlebar and still have your hands free for the coffee to go. When you come home after a long day, just plug UrmO into any power outlet, and after 2 hours it will be ready for your commute the next day. At UrmO we are 3 founders.
Felix and Jacob are the engineers and in charge of the mechanical and electronical development of UrmO.
Sebastian takes care of the business and the financing part. Today there's a whole team behind UrmO and working on our vision.
We have partners and suppliers from all over the industries.
And we really have the chance to change mobility. Together with the rest of the team, we're really sure to bring UrmO to you as fast as possible.
Our vision is to bring the UrmO in every city of the world.
And to ramp up our production, we need your support. Back us now and be part of our vision to change urban mobility.
Thousands of years ago, the sport of skiing was invented. And since then, the sport has been evolving. 50 years ago, snowboards came, bringing the joy of surfing to the slopes. Today, the ultimate evolution of skiing has arrived. Introducing Snowfeet, the next revolution in winter sports. A combination of skis and skates that brings the thrill of skating to the slopes. They are essentially like ice skates for the ski slopes. Snowfeet attach right to your winter shoes or snowboard boots, so all you do is step in, strap on, and take off. With these, you can do anything you would do with skis and so much more. Impossible twists, jumps, and tricks. Use them for downhill on and off the slopes, in snow parks, through forest trails, and even for cross-country skiing. Snowfeet lets you do it all, without all the heavy and expensive equipment. They are lightweight and small enough to fit in a backpack, so you can take them anywhere. Media outlets like Mashable, Now This, Uncrate, and many others are already raving about them. They also called Snowfeet the next big thing to hit the ski slopes. Snowfeet are made of highly durable fiberglass reinforced material. They've got metal ski edges for quick stopping, a heel brake for slowing down, adjustable bindings to attach to any shoe, and best of all, one size fits all. We've already delivered thousands of pairs of the first model to our customers around the world, and the positive feedback has been overwhelming. So many people are excited about this new winter sport. It's going to take the world by storm. Some even assume it'll be the next Olympic sport. We're ready to ship the first 2,000 pairs to our supporters before the end of this winter. That way, you'll get to try Snowfeet this snow season. Now is your chance to get Snowfeet at a special price and get on board with the next big winter sport.